So I'm thinking on the nature of genius. I'm thinking of musicians at the moment, great singers. Radiohead, your George Michael. Obviously, the list goes on, but I'm trying to understand just what their genius is. Because I can't sing very well. But the point is, I can still sing, but it doesn't approach the level of creativity that so many artists out there have. So I'm trying to understand what it is that makes someone a genius in what they do. So as I say, I'm thinking of Radiohead, George Michael at the moment, Phil Collins, and then of course it extends into authors and athletes. There are so many areas of life where genius manifests. And I'm trying to understand what genius is. Somehow these people reach into my mind and stimulate me directly. And it's very invigorating. And I desire it. I want to have these people in my life. I want to have their music. I want to see these sports stars. I want to see Michael Jordan do his thing. And the authors are spectacular in their genius. I have a memory problem right now, so I can't recall details. But there's Stephen King, obviously, L. Ron Hubbard. I wish I could remember properly. I have a lot of work to do to try and rebuild memory. But the issue is that these people have genius, and genius is so hard to define. It is a mystery as to what makes these people so impressive. They're just people who speak English, they live normal lives, but for some reason they inspire, they reach into my mind and are stimulating and so impressive in what they do. Music, writing, acting, sports. Certain people really hit the spot. Absolutely fantastic that we have these people in our lives.